It's your girl Lisa J. Today I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna do my Turkish snack test part 2. And I wanna tell y'all where I've been. Cause y'all, I know, y'all like, oh, she come on YouTube, then she leaves all the time. But this time, I actually got sick. I had a cold for like 2 weeks. Real bad, nasty cough. And I didn't want to come on camera like that and present myself like that, so I didn't. But now I'm back and I'm better. I feel way better. And I remember last time I told y'all, I know y'all was wondering what was up under my, I don't know if I had a scully on or a do-rag, one or the other. But this is it. Told y'all I was gonna be going through the dread process, so, you know. But let's get to it. I think this is sour candy. Not sure. What is this gum? Kind of feel hard. I'm not pressing into it, I don't think so. But if this gum, I'm gonna be mad because I could save this. Well, okay. Ah, damn. Okay. That woke me up on the inside. And this is gum. It's good gum too. But I don't want it. It's good though. These are nothing but pretzel sticks. These are Turkish snacks, people. Okay. I think no matter where you from, a pretzel tastes like a pretzel, but let's see. Just as I suspected, pretzel. This is a waffle. It's actually like what ice cream cones are. I said cones. Ice cream cones are made of, but it's just flat. And I want to stop. Let me stop. Let me tell y'all, because I know last time, if y'all watched the video and you looked inside the box, like I showed, it was a lot of snacks. But somebody decided to come over and eat all my snacks and asked me for them while I was asleep. So I said yes. And I was just left with these 3-4 little items. So, look. Let's go for it, right, guys? I don't know why I bit into that like that. It's just a cone, a flat cone. Let me let y'all see. It's just a flat cone. That's all. They said. But this is, I don't know, but it looked the best out of the box. I'm guessing it's some type of small cake. Y'all know I've been eating healthy, so I'm not going to consume this entire thing, but I will taste it. Try to get a good enough, matter of fact, let me just break it in half so I could taste what I need to taste. Show y'all the inside. It's chocolate. So let's see. Get a nice bite. It's not bad. It's like a cake, but it got a, I don't know if y'all can see it. I didn't pay attention. That's coconut right there. I'm not a fan of coconut at all. I don't like it. I don't like nothing coconut. Coconut shrimp, coconut water, coconuts. But I do like almond joys, surprisingly. And I don't I know this random, but I'm saying this because I just said I like almond joys and I don't like coconuts. I like banana pudding, but I don't like bananas. But y'all, like, comment, and subscribe. We going up. Be easy.